This is a 42-inch Litex Crown Hugger ceiling fan from April of 1988. You may remember I filmed this fan and the other one when they were in pieces earlier this month. I was going to install them in the den, but my mom changed her mind, so I installed them on the test rig instead. This is one of them. I'll do the other one probably next weekend. Back in July, I got this and the other one brand new in the box off eBay for $80 each. These were available in 4 different finishes. You'd have white and brass, polished brass, and antique brass. This one is polished brass. They were available in 2 different sizes, 52-inch and 42-inch. Here's one of the boxes in case you guys wanted to see it. So there's the fan itself. As you can see, it's got cane blades and the footprint vents. And there's this little chart here, which is pretty cool. Litex Crown. If anyone wants to pause the video and read exactly what this says, go right ahead. There's the side of the box. Here's the bottom. And there's the date right there, 1988. Here's a closer look. The only difference between this one and the other one is that this one has a standard wooden pull chain and the other one has a tassel, but other than that, they're pretty much identical. The fan's got footprint vents like most Litex fans have. The blades are reversible cane to just a plain oak. And there's a top shot. And there's the inside of the motor housing. Alright, without further ado, I will go ahead and demonstrate it for you, starting off with low. Here's medium. Here's high. It's a pretty quiet fan. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.